So we are over at Savi's and we are waiting to collect our pieces of scrap metal. That way the first order doesn't throw any suspicions. And unfortunately those pieces of scrap metal just happened to turn into a lightsaber. Rumor of that happening. So we've got our passes ready. We're going to be checking out here in just a few minutes. Cool. So cool.
Just one moment.
No worries.
You're going to be right here today, okay?
Awesome, thank you.
Welcome, and thank you for finding your way to us. Now, I know all of this, for the most part, is a lot to take in, but to us, it is everything. I see you've been my fellow gatherers. Good! Very good. I am called Kempe. Now, to your eyes, this may look like a room filled with a bunch of old junk, so allow me to clarify. Some of it's new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we bring here. So, where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may just ensure a future. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Now, my friends, by this point, I'm assuming that you're all rather familiar with the legends of Luke Skywalker.
Yes.
We hear there is another,
Yes.
a new Jedi. Who knows her name?
Ray.
Rey, yes. And what Rey is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. And that, my friends, is why you're here. To look ahead to the future and to build this. A lightsaber. Now, the lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. Now, the saber is a reflection of the builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. Now, enough babbling, let's get busy. We start with perhaps the most important aspect of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Now, some say that the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. Now, this you may already know from some of the great Jedi in our history. A blue crystal, such as the one wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and, of course, Rey. Green, the crystal that called to Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful like the blade wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are some who call this the color of power and ambition. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. You will now choose your Kyber crystals. My friends, close your eyes. What color do you see in your mind? Choose your crystal and know that it is equally likely that your crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. Well done. Well done indeed. You will now join that crystal to the aspects of lightsaber design that you chose moments ago on the other side of the workshop door. One important detail, listen carefully. Make sure the crystal is resting on a small green tray at the left edge of your hilt. Good. Very good. Now, you will start work on your hilt. This is the foundation of your lightsaber. Your center of control. And the thing that keeps your hands from disintegrating. Then these boxes are the aspects you've already selected here. Find the chassis. Activation plates. Grip, emitter, and pommel cap. Now remember, building a lightsaber is a very personal journey. Just as you've selected your crystal, you will now choose each and all aspects of design that make your saber unique. Should you have questions or if you face obstacles, the gatherers are here to assist, and all you need to do is ask. Now, let's build.
All right, welcome in, guys. So first, we're going to be starting off with our chassis. You'll notice that there are some vents on this upper half, and there's also a spring hiding up underneath, okay? Now go ahead and pick up your chassis. Wonderful. Great. And go ahead and pick up your fabric crystals as well. You're going to need both hands for this. Get the hollow skins.
Yes.
Great. So next is one of those two sets for row 5. Yeah. When you pick up the set, you'll see that one piece has a red square and the other one has a blue square. Those are going to match up with the blue and red squares on your chassis. So you're going to line up red directly over red, and that will click into place. And then blue will touch blue, and that one will go into place too. So happy celebration, you guys. Thank you. Yes, of course. Like that? Yeah, just like that. Okay. May I see your chassis again? Thank you. Awesome. That's the sound we're looking for. Still deciding.
I think I'm looking at that.
Great. May I see your chassis again? Thank you. Good sir. Your crystal is strong. Okay. While I'm fixing this guy up, I'm going to have you guys move on to your next step, okay? You're going to choose 2 of the 4 grips that you see in front of you in columns 1 and 2. You'll notice that they all have a copper end on them. That copper end is going to go in towards the center of your chassis. You're going to choose 1 for the top.
Which side's the top? This side?
Yeah, top's this side. Great. 1 for the top, 1 for the bottom. And once you've got those on, you're going to push and twist them righty-tighty in towards the center. Do you like your choices?
I do.
Great. Next is going to be your metal cap on top, okay?
This one or this one? Either or.
So they might not line up exactly right now, but if you have tons of time and patience at home, I recommend trying that threading in a new spot, like start it and then spin it again, okay? Great.
Yeah, that'll drive me.
Right. Last is that pommel cap for the bottom, okay?
Horn or no horn?
Would you like your choices? It's a rainbow too. If that helps the decision. Oh, did you push and twist that guy into place yet? You'll need a little bit of tough love, so push and twist at the same time. Next. You liking your choices?
I think so.
Great. Ready to do a final check for you? Wonderful. Now snip. Thank
Hang
you.
on, one more of those. There we go.
Wonderful. Now you see that switch right there? Go ahead and try pushing up on it. Great. When Pemday says activate, you're going to push up on that switch again, just like that, okay? Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Yeah. You liking your choices?
I think so.
Wonderful. Anything final shot? Thank you. Sniff. There you are. You see that switch? Try pressing up. Great. When Kempe says activate, you're going to push up on that switch, all right? Congratulations.
Lights, elemental and nature, and protection and defense. All our other gatherers have arrived.
Well done. Well done, my friends. You've completed your hills. Now let's keep going. Trust us. Leave them exactly where they sit on the stations before you. Take a deep breath and step back. Gatherers, take control. The gatherers are now stabilizing your chosen crystals within these completed hills for their very first activation. This is the one thing you do not do coming out of the starting gate, because you must be thoroughly trained. But I promise you, my friend, your time is coming. Now we move on to the final piece of business within our...
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, you will come forward, place your hand upon the hilt of your completed lightsaber, and when I give the word, you will for the first time activate your blades. Are you ready?
Yes.
Step forward, and on my command, activate! Raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. And now, my friends, if you would be kind enough to momentarily deactivate and lower your blades.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master. My friends, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power shouldn't be dropped on the floor. In order to protect what you've so beautifully built, we are pleased to grant you a saber sheath as you leave. Now, our time together is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy, and remember you are as unique and as extraordinary as the blade you hold. Perhaps next time we shall tell your stories. Raise and activate your sabers. Journey well and wide, my friends, till the spire.
Fill the spire.
Here,